sharing the most delicious tofu recipe ever. If you want to surprise with a vegan option, this is your recipe. So now let's start. First, dry the tofu and cut it into chunks or the shape that you prefer. Add some salt, cornstarch to make them crunchy. Oof, since I tried, I can't stop using cornstarch in my tofu. Then we continue with olive oil and we're going to mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Easy like that. Our tofu is ready to go to the oven for 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Look how crunchy it is with the cornstarch. Sauce time! Start frying the garlic and ginger. When it starts being gold, add soy sauce, ketchup, maple syrup, the juice of 1 lemon, and just mix everything. As you can see, the sauce will thicken gradually, and for sure, you can add some water if you want to make it lighter. Having our sauce ready, we mix it with the tofu. Not only does tofu taste amazing, but it's also packed with protein and essential nutrients, making it a great addition to any diet. Trust me, this recipe will make you fall in love with tofu all over again. Buenazo!